clean.
We're at Starbucks. Gonna get some coffee. What are you excited for?
The Camaro.
Really?
I'm wearing my Camaro shirt. What did I say? ZL2? 28? Oh, Z28. Oh yeah, which one are you excited for?
Skyline coming out. You're gonna like hate on the bed. Oh shit. Good thing I installed those Brembo brakes. 6-piston Brembo brakes. They're factory.
Welcome, my name is Javier.
My name's Jesus.
And we're at the LA Auto Show. It's like a highlighter. It's like a boat. Nice. This is my daily driver, guys. It has 11,000 horsepower, and it could do 1 second, like quarter mile.
Why does it say Highway Patrol?
America!
Welcome to my daily.
What's your MPG?
Like 2.5.
Oh man, fun.
I can't even like the glare of all the.
You can't. There's so much chrome. This is where you cue in like the George Lopez like soundtrack. You hear that, guys?
See, look at those guys over there. You think the boss is the best? Nah, the Mach 1.
Kind of like that one.
I kind of like the boss.
Ferrari guy?
Dude, you're gonna have a Cayman?
Is that a fly?
What the fuck? Kelly card. It's
You guys see that?
big ass fly.
Whoa.
This is what you would drive in Midnight Club, huh? Have my thing in the channel be putting my finger inside the exhaust.
Go for it. That skyline.
Fucking low.
Hell yeah. Oh, it's a raw welt. Oh my god, yes. Ooh, Tesla. I like the sedan. The RS3. I'm liking these colors.
The Honda colors.
Hey. You heard you? You guys just chilling. Oh look, that's cool. Like,
that is very odd. Oh, it's really cheap material. For it being this.
Come on, guys. Oh. Which one do you?
Sound like Red Line review?
Yeah.
Hey, this is a tire I have on my
Pirelli?
Honda.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, I'm Herr K, here to remind you that preventative car maintenance is key. Once a week, pop open your hood, take out the dipstick, check the levels, and feel accordingly. If needed, remember to top me off. I mean top it off. This has been Weekly Car Tips with Herr K. Auf Wiedersehen.
America. Wait, Japan.
America?
Japan. Oh.
Japan, no.
Japan. No. Like the NSX is over there.
Oh, that's Oh, this looks ugly.
You don't like it?
Oh, what the fuck? Double screen?
It's so comfortable though. Oh, this steering wheel feels nice.
I have the same interface on the Hump Civic.
And how much is your car?
20 grand?
Carbon fiber, everything. Look at that sparkle. This is like semi dream car. What do you think?
I would get the Q4, but this is a nice SUV. It's a steering wheel.
Oh, that's classy.
Flat bottom, yeah.
How does it feel? Feels alright.
These feel nice though. They're like a
Passion?
metallic.
Oh, it's It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy weighted.
That's awesome.
What is it?
That's a start.
Oh, that's right. That's where it should be, huh? So what do you think? Would you get one?
I would definitely get one.
But you'd rather get that one.
Yeah, definitely.
Damn. Such more C on there. Damn. Oh, right.
Oh, yeah.
Goes on myself. Nice. There's like a manager's type luxury car, huh? I've only ever seen white guys drive. I'm not a Mercedes kind of guy. I only like the AMG GTS, which is over there.
Car company are so like worried about having the fastest car out there. That look at this Lexus. They didn't even finish it. They didn't complete the car.
Guys, they only gave us half a car.
I'll still get it.
This is my dream car. Yeah.
I like that M3. On the M4.
Get out of here. Let's check it out.
Kind of weird, right?
What?
It's like,
Have you seen that one leather that looks like human skin? What do you think, sir? You like it?
yeah, I do.
Oh! Should I buy it? How many times does it say M? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, he's stuck! He's stuck!
Now you know how V12s have that bubble noise? The roof.
Oh, it's all glass.
That's insane.
Looks nice.
Watch out, Tesla.
Oh, Chevy?
We're in the wackest section now.
I'm skipping this. Corvette. Oh.
What are you excited for?
The Camaro?
You are my friend.